Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about here is a given problem. Make a wiring diagram of power lamps 5 watts and the supply of 220 volts line to ground, and also solve for the current. This is the diagram. Line 1, supply to 20 volts. Line 1, circuit breaker connected to switch. Then another terminal from switch connected to the lamp, terminal 1. And the terminal 2 of the lamp is connected to circuit breaker ground terminal. Solve. Given power is equal to 5 watts. Voltage is equal to 220 volts. Current is unknown. Current is equal to P over E. P is power is 5 watts over 220 volts voltage. Then the current is equal to 0.023 amperes. Another given problem here is make a wiring diagram of 2 lamps in one location with a supply current of 220 volts line to ground. Here is the diagram. Supply 220 volts, line 1 circuit breaker, then this is connected to switch, then the other terminal of the switch connected to the terminal from lamp 1 and lamp 2. They're connected in parallel. Then the other terminal from lamp 1 and lamp 2 connected to the terminal of the circuit breaker ground terminal. Number 4. Make a wiring diagram of 5 lamps, 2 locations with a supply of 220 volts. The diagram. Supply is 220 volts. This is line 1 circuit breaker connected to the 2-gang switch. Switch 1 and another terminal is connected to the parallel of lamp 1 and lamp 2. And the other terminal of the lamp 1 and lamp 2 is connected to the other lamps terminal lamp 3, lamp 4 and lamp 5. They are connected in parallel and they connected to the circuit breaker ground terminal. And this is switch number 2 normally open. Then this one is off position. Then this is a terminal of the switch going to terminal sa lamp 3, 4 and 5. They are parallel. Then ang other terminal sa lamp 3, 4 and 5 connected. Then they are parallel to the lamp 1 and 2. Then this is line 2 ground terminal going to circuit breaker, then ground. Bible verse of the day, Matthew 8:20. For where two or three are gathered together in my name, there am I in the midst of them. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.